And today I want to talk about how you're gonna hold the cup. You remember this one? Like Thai style, white Thai style. You see that you're gonna have like a triangle here, like that, okay? So the basic, it will start it from here, okay? Intermediate or the inversion patterns and the difficult. Do a Rosetta. I will hold the cup here. So this is my jug. Because I will beginning and start to moving out. So I really need to have more rooms for my arm to go backward. Okay? I start with go forward and go backward. Or a little bit right in the center or your belly. Because you don't need to use your arm. It's only go forward. So go forward in the cup. Right now I'm gonna do invert, so the hand will go out. So I will first put my pattern here, because if it's here a little bit too far for me, okay? So it's here too low. Too low not good, because now you start to use your arm. It's gonna take a lot of time to turn it back. So you have to go up a little bit like that, and only the wrist. When you hold the cup, wrist control, wrist, and the finger, okay? Wrist. The cup, the jugs is arm for the jugs, wrist for the cup, the arm and the wrist, okay? Right. The arm, first pattern, take it back, the arm, wrist, arm. Or the very difficult or the drawing pattern. Now it's very, very important that you need to use your muscles or your hand to actually draw it, to get more consistency line. Of course, if you do more basic pattern, you can use the wrist, because some people hold the jug differently. Maybe you use this one, you not even use the arm at all. Wrist is okay for the very basic. You're not gonna see the difference. But when you start to do difficult pattern, now it start to be critical, and it's very require your strength of your muscle, okay? When I do the very, very difficult pattern, like a drawing, so I hold about this much. Now I start to draw, because see, my arm straight, and I can move very quick, because it's gonna be too many elements in the cup. 1, 2, 3. See, I can move. And again, wrist, arm. And next episode, I will teach you how you're gonna hold the cup to make sure that you have the strength and control. You see my muscle? I'm gonna talk about this in my next episode.